Hey guys, Count and Cook back again with yet another interesting Udupi cuisine. Today's recipe is a brinjal or aubergine dry preparation, extremely simple preparation which is also called Gulla Upkari in Tulu. Before I get started, let me run through the ingredients. Here we have taken 4 brinjal cut into medium sized pieces. The only powdered spice that goes into this preparation is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. For tempering, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 6 cloves of garlic, about half an inch of ginger chopped finely, about a tablespoon of curry leaves, 6 to 8 green chilies chopped finely, 1 onion finely chopped. Unlike other upkari preparation, here we are using asafoetida. You can use asafoetida paste, but here we are using a pinch of asafoetida powder. Squeeze 1 teaspoon of fresh tamarind, extract juice from it. You would also need quarter shredded coconut for garnishing. Salt as per taste. For tempering, 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. In the first step, heat up a pan like this. When the pan is hot enough, in goes some coconut oil. Now when the oil is heated up, in goes some mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, in goes some garlic. Here goes some green chilies. We should have added ginger much earlier before garlic, but anyways we are adding it right now. And some curry leaves. Saute for a while. Now goes some chopped onions. Now goes some asafoetida powder. You can sprinkle some salt now and continue sauteing. Now that the onions are translucent, in goes brinjal or aubergine. Now goes turmeric powder and mix well. Now goes the tamarind extract. Now cover the pot with the lid and cook covered on lowest possible flame or on sim for 5 to 8 minutes. After about 5 to 8 minutes cooking on lowest possible flame, the brinjal is properly cooked by now. Mix once thoroughly. Now goes shredded coconut. Mix well nicely. Now that Gulla Upkari is done, you can turn off the stove now. Hey, Brinjal dry or Gulla Upkari is ready. Goes excellently well with ganji and pickle. Do try this recipe out at home and let us know how it turned out. For more such interesting recipes, subscribe to the channel Count and Cook. While subscribing, do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you guys get notified whenever we upload something new. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, we are Count and Cook signing out.